My mother was diagnosed and went through a 10-year journey with cancer, which had a huge impact on me. And that's when I sought to do my PhD in cervical cancer and cervical cancer control. One of the really great things about working at Cancer Council is this incredible sense of mission. Many of us who work here have been touched by cancer in a similar way. One of the ways that I guess I motivate myself every day is that it feels like we are doing something tangible to prevent others going through this. Cervical cancer is one of the most common cancers in women globally. In Australian context, because of the innovations that have been successfully implemented, we are on track to make cervical cancer a rare cancer, and then within the next 2 decades, potentially considered eliminated as a public health problem. And if you look at this long journey that we've taken from Cancer Council's support of Ian Fraser in the early days, and Cancer Council's support of my team and my efforts, giving us just that space and time and that stability to do it. Ian Fraser and his collaborator Jan Zhao made the critical breakthroughs in immunology that underpin the development of the HPV vaccine, which we now have available to us. So this was all happening in the 1990s. Australian researchers have led the way from Ian's innovation, and with Ian's support, I'm very grateful that Cancer Council enabled me to build a team working in this space which has supported the public health efforts following on from vaccine innovations. So my own work is focused on the public health translation of the innovations both in vaccination but also in innovations in screening. So we've done that through establishing a platform for predictive modelling and establishing a range of observational studies, and now a major clinical trial called COMPASS, and it's very much underpinned the transformation of our national cervical screening program from 2-yearly pap smears to 5-yearly HPV DNA testing. None of this would have been possible without the supporters of Cancer Council. Our aim is to use the efforts in Australia as an example and to examine how this can best be translated in much poorer countries. This is about successive waves of innovation. We're continually pushing forward towards the end goal, which is elimination of cervical cancer.